This is the information age. Maybe you're confused. Maybe you think you're in a movie, like in Goodfellas. No. You see this? These are your 3 bank accounts. And here are your passwords. This is your wife, Alexa. Driver's license, state medical cards.
Gustov, please.
Hold on. These are your 2 children. I know everything about you. I own your life. I can take it away with the push of a button. I have a daughter. She disappeared about 10 years ago. Broke my heart. I just heard she might be in Prague. I need to get there, like a ghost. No one can know. Am I talking to the right man?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Elena.
No, I wouldn't.
I got him.
Gustov Dobreff, you're under arrest on 22 counts of cyber terrorism and fraud.
Who are you, huh?
Elena.
I'm remembering your face. Never want to forget it.
Senior special agent, huh? You know, I gotta admit, Elena was a good look on you.
You know, this is the ladies' room, right?
Dude, I'm sorry. Just had to say congrats. You did it. What's up, you call it a hug? You all right?
Took a couple of pounds of flesh to get here.
It did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that I've come this far, I'm gonna go all the way.
I know. No doubt. Something you want to say?
I can't chase 2 rabbits, Frank. Love and work. Putting away Gustov was a real game changer for me. I want the director's chair.
So what, you get this far with me, and now that you get your gold star, you want to piss away 3 years? Huh? Wow. Shit. Wow. Okay. Hey, you know what? Congrats. Congrats on the promotion. Good luck with that.
not a regional problem. Every city is getting hit. ATM machines cannot distinguish between the magnetic strip of a debit card and that of a hotel key card.
There are approximately 400,000 ATM machines across U.S. soil. What are we supposed to do? Pull in all the machines because there's a couple cyberpunks out there with a handful of 20s?
Actually, millions of 20s. Does the Bureau have a position on this?
Okay, look, on the record, ATM machines are a necessary means for monetary circulation. Off the record, this is gonna be a problem until this country embraces pin and chip.
Pin and
Frank,
Hey.
please knock. Thank you. I'm gonna call.
Yeah? How's your score?
Can I help you with something?
I need your eyes on this.
Some liability issues at the bank.
Arthur Hastings, potential retirement divers.
Don't even go there, Carl. Honestly, non-starter with me.
I thought the Bureau was staying out of it.
Have you ever known me to stay out of anything?
Guess that's a no on Roberts. All right, let's circle back on Friday's call. Thanks, everyone.
That it?
Yeah. It's quite a view. I guess you could almost see the director's chair from here, huh?
Almost.
We got it.
Talk to me, McCluskey.
Industrial control systems are failing at a water plant in LA. If they don't get a handle on it, they'll be serving severely contaminated water to 2 million people.
How soon to get a CAT team on site?
10 minutes.
10?
10.
Okay, you're on point.
On it.
I'll pull diagnostics.
Keep me posted.
The situation at this California water treatment plant is still critical, as authorities attempt to control the contamination. So far, the cause of the electronic system failure is unknown.
If it's a question of appropriation.
We can't just throw money at a problem like this. My people know exactly what they're doing.
Well,
what?
You need to take a look at this.
Is it about the water plant?
No, something else.
Oh my God.
I think we have a threat on the inside.
No, it's not it. Guys, we need to shift the remote terminal units to manual. If this virus is anything like Stuxnet, we're never gonna get an honest reading if we don't go manual now.
Chloe, I need you to come with me.
I'm right in the middle of a system transfer.
Chloe, either you come to me or I come and get you.
I'll come when I'm finished.
What's going on?
Agent Jocelyn. Awesome! You're under arrest on 3 counts of cyber terrorism.
Kidding me?